Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about an AI tool called Cohesive. This is one of the trending AI tools liked by many digital marketers. Let's dive in and understand more about this AI tool. Let's start. So, what is Cohesive? Cohesive is a powerful AI editor made to make producing amazing content simple for users. Users no longer have to fight with ChatGPT prompts because it makes it possible for them to develop, polish, edit, and publish their material easily. Users can access a variety of cutting-edge features driven by AI and take advantage of a fluid content production process with Cohesive. So let's move further and under the features of Cohesive. As an AI editor, it enables effortless editing of text, images, and language translations to ensure each word is precisely crafted to perfection. As content inspiration, it provides content ideas as users write in the editor, giving fresh ideas for their next creation. There are 50+ templates that offers hand-picked curated templates for SEO, ad copywriting, marketing copywriting, social media content, and more. Let us also understand some of the use cases of Cohesive. It maximizes the marketing ROI with high-converting AI content, grows social media presence, improves search engine rankings, and create ad copies that drive digital growth. It helps increase sales quota with AI-generated content, create conversion-focused emails, and there you have it. Cohesive is the most powerful AI editor that amplifies your creativity, and with its strong AI capabilities it helps increase productivity. You can try this tool by visiting the website https://cohesive.so.